Hi everyone, my name is ElectroDonkey and today we're back reviewing another game. Today we're reviewing a game called Noah's Disregard for Dinosaurs. So we've actually did this back in the 48th or something, well 6th, one of the two episode I want to say. And you can see here, we dropped a comment and lots of stuff got changed. So it's been heavily updated, I'm told, from the original. I can't really remember the original. But I'm told that it's been fixed, so all the things that I said were, well, needed changing, have been changed. So we're going to go on, give it a go, see what we think about it now. As I say, I can't really remember the original game, so I am just going to be reviewing it as a totally new game, not in relation to the last one, but you know, well. I do remember there was a typo with the S, so we've fixed that, so that's good. Clear Hit Dex game that works great. Occasionally that doesn't work, so I just like to test it, you know. I don't really like these black bars. Sorry to say it, but I don't really know why they're there, because my monitors are standard size, 1080 by 1920, so that's full HD, a standard widescreen resolution. So realistically, this shouldn't have black bars. I don't know. We might see though. We'll go press Enter key. Okay, look, the ark is full. There is no room for dinosaurs. So good luck with the flood and meteors and stuff. Brilliant. Can I take this umbrella at least? I remember this actually. Sure, whatever. Oh yeah, we have to do this, I remember, and avoid the flood because rain makes you slow. Move the mouse to control the umbrella, so we want to kind of stick it like this. The levels sprawl in different directions. Every chicken you save will grant you an extra try in the next level. Great, okay. We've just fallen down. Finish line. First chickens pass or die, then you can pass. Okay, press exit, not exit, escape to pause. Shallow water is okay. I do actually remember this. Deep water is not okay. So we have to avoid the deep water. I seem to remember it was a bit hard to tell what was deep and what was not deep. So possibly change the colours. I don't know. Shallow water makes it hard to see. Okay, space can also work, that's good. Make sure to save your chickens, but I don't have chickens, so. Meteors are very dangerous. Meteors destroy the map. Some rocks are stronger. It's pretty simple. So we're just going down, I think, here. I'm surprised the umbrella doesn't like slow your fall or something. That'd be pretty cool. I also don't know where the flood's coming from. If we're going down, does that mean the flood is also coming down, or is it still coming from the side? I don't know. We'll never know. I think that's a volcano, but it's a bit small. But whatever. I actually quite like this. I don't know what I originally said about it. I'm not sure, but I like the fact that it feels difficult. It doesn't feel stupidly easy, like, because you got to think about two things at once. You got to think about the mouse direction and also what you're moving, and either one of them can mess you up, you know. So it feels good in that aspect. Good jumping stuff. The rain is also gone, so it kind of makes it a bit easier. It's heavy rain, and we did cross the finish line then, and it didn't quite work, so possibly check that code, but I don't know. I would also like to say just quickly, I think someone else mentioned this, if I remember right, but when you move, it feels a little bit like stuttery, almost. I'm not sure if that's to do with the lag, or possibly it's just, okay, we've just stuck there. Possibly the lack of VSync, because that does normally mess my computer up. either one of them, I'm not sure. So possibly just have a VSync option and just see how that works, whether that improves stuff. I don't know if this is possible right here. Okay, I guess it is. I don't know if this is possible, mind you. Okay, it just about is. We're just gonna walk straight up to the volcano, because why not? I also don't feel like the flood has actually caused much of a problem at the moment. I'm yet to see the flood that close. So yeah, I think we're getting on pretty well. I think the plan for most of these things was just to, we've messed up, was just to get higher. So the higher up you get, the higher chance you have of surviving. That seems to be my theory. That would make sense as well, seeing as we're escaping a flood. You know, obviously the water can't get that high up. I do apologise for that. Oh, we can't jump that. Okay, well, we're probably dead then. Yeah, we're just gonna suicide. I'm not even sorry. Oh, we have to start again right from the start. Damn. Okay. I thought it was like a per level basis, but whatever. I guess we didn't have any chickens. That's probably the problem. So I guess that could possibly be a problem. Like in those situations, you do get a bit stuck. I don't know. Personally, I don't think there was anything I could have done better then. Okay, there we go. Press escape to pause. So I think, yeah, that is definitely a problem. We're definitely stuck there. That's actually really hard to get through. That's definitely not intentional. So yeah, fix that again here. It's a bit weird there, a little weird collision, but it's not a huge problem. It just needs a little tweaking. Shallow water makes it hard to see. I don't know what is making it hard to see. Like what exactly are we? What is making it hard to see? I don't know. It's a mystery. Some rocks are stronger. It's like I'm not sure how we get to that chicken there. I don't think that's possible, but I guess the plan should probably be to like save at least one chicken each time, so that we've got at least 2 tries at each level. I guess that would make sense. Whoa, what? Oh, the chickens. What? Hello? Okay, that really bugged out there. I think that's probably it, to be honest. I think it is just like little bugs and stuff, rather than big game breaking stuff. So, I definitely mentioned typos last time. That was definitely a thing, but they've been fixed nice and easily. I think there was some other stuff, I can't really remember though. But yeah, I think at the moment it is just little bugs going on. I think the whole chicken thing's like the chickens have to pass the line first. I think that's a little bit stupid, honestly, like because it can cause problems as well. I think it should just be like you and the chickens cross at the same time. But yeah, whatever. Because like this, that's such a weird thing to do, but you know, whatever. I think this is where we got to before, but I can't remember. So no, we definitely got past this one actually. Right, yeah, we can't do that, so we have to go like this. We have to do this horrible jump. So yeah, we're gonna take this chicken, because why not? Straight up to the volcano. Straight. Whoa! What? Oh, okay, we get another go. It's fine. I didn't quite get it in time. Yeah, I feel it's challenging. It's definitely challenging. I think the permadeath thing is possibly a bit excessive. Like, you could have an option for it, but again, that's like preference. You could have an option to not have permadeath, so you could just like play it casually. That would probably be better like that. There's just chance, I think, more than anything. So yeah, possibly just have an option for that, because it does get frustrating to just do the same level over and over and over again, especially if you've got like lots of levels. Like at some point I am gonna die here. I don't know how many chickens I collected last time, but I don't think I collected this many. Let's see if we get to. We had lots of chickens then, so maybe they carry over. I don't know. Maybe they go for. I pressed escape. That wasn't right. I meant to press the other one. This one. So yeah, I think I remember reading through this. The hardcore gamers died only a little at first. They managed to finish the game in 20 to 30 minutes. Like that's great, but for most people, they won't actually ever get to finish the game. It'll, like, especially if you start adding more levels and stuff, because that's the only thing you can really add in. You can't really add much else in. Then you're gonna hit a point where people like physically can't finish the game because it gets harder and harder, and eventually someone just messes up. You know, like once or twice, but you know, whatever. You also missed a bracket there, but that's very minor stuff. So anyway, yeah, just fix those bugs. That'd be brilliant. Other than that, not much else to say. So anyway, if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, always do you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.